now?
Thief versus Jefferson! Thief versus Kittens round 2! I'm so nervous!
What's the secret? Yeah.
Lower the weight and then just pull.
Team Logic.
Yeah.
What's that?
Modus Pony.
Two ponies?
Somebody took a cat nap.
I'm gonna take my cat nap now. I still love it.
If it's possible to make Nothingness proud, I think we did.
See the,
Everyone down. Good, I don't know.
oh, that's excellent.
Everybody flex. Flex.
Ideas got together and we had a tug of war, and it was pretty intense. I was on practice. We fought against theory.
How did that go?
Well, that went well. And then on our second match,
where are you guys on the chart here?
Here we go.
Okay.
And then Logic beat us. But Logic was the champ, so I don't feel so bad anymore.
How'd you like the ideological tug of war?
This was so much fun. It's my favorite thing that I think we've ever had here.
We expressed ideologies with brute force. And I thought that was quite ironic.
So how did it go for work today? What were your thoughts?
You know, we took a hard loss, but it was great participating in this. And just before this event, I was teaching performance art in my contemporary art class. So
were you able to tie this in?
I did. They were a little resistant to the performance art, and I said, "How many of you are going to this afternoon?" They came around. It was great.
Excellent work.
Hey, I didn't know you were on the stage. Good job. Good job.